Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you what I've been showing you day after day after day. I try and do the best I can. I try and get these uploaded as best as possible. I'm going to show you the results from Phil's 0 DTE SPX trade today. First of all, I'm going to show you how you can win 90% of your trades completely on autopilot. You just sign up for the course in the description below. It's called Learn How to Win 90% of Your Trades in 90 Seconds. The 90 seconds part is really just how long it takes to introduce you to the concept of option selling, and the rest of the course goes into the details about how to sell options most effectively. It's in conjunction with Lance from thetatraders.com. I think you'll find a lot of value in it, especially if you like today's video content about how to do credit spreads for passive income. Before we get into the details on all the winning that happened today, I just wanted to make sure you guys, if you don't know who I am already, my name is Russell Barber. I've been testing hundreds of alert services for years now. Feels like a lot longer than that. If you'd like to see my top 10 alert services videos, so the ones that I've tested, alert services that I've really tested for 2025, just check out the video linked in the description below, and it'll take you to the video and you can check out like what I've been looking at and what I trade and what I've been doing. So definitely check that out in the description below. So today, wanted to go through the results of Phil's 0 DTE SPX income spread service, where he has a 90 plus percent, it's like 95%, something like that, close to that, win rate. And let's go through it and see what happens. So if you want to join, there is a simple sheet right here. The win rate on here is 91%. His return on investment was 92%, so you'd have grown your account, your whole account would have gone up 92% in 2024 if you followed him. And it's fairly easy to follow. I've actually found it very easy to replicate, and he's already up a substantial portion in 2025 as well. So definitely check this page out. It's in the description below. It shows his results, talks about this stuff, and then the pricing at the bottom right here. Definitely go and check that out. If you want more details, email me. My email's always in the description below. Stock alerts reviewed at protonmail.com, and I can see if we can do you a deal, or we can talk about pricing if you are that way inclined. So let's have a look and see what happened today. So if we go into the Discord, this is the 0DTE SPX Income Spreads Discord. There's a couple of channels that are important. These two that I'm highlighting on the left here. Lance's 0 DTEs and Phil's 0 DTEs. I'm mainly talking about Phil's 0 DTEs because a lot of you guys are already familiar with Lance. And then there's post your profits. I'm going to show you the profits people were making and also what the actual trade actually was, so you can look into it for yourself and see. So first of all, let's look at what the trade actually was. Zoom right in like here. I've zoomed in so far I can barely see the thing. There we go. So here is the put credit spread alert at exactly 10:41 Eastern Time, so 9:41 Central Time, my time, and the current price was 5,000 on SPX. So these are SPX put credit spread alerts. Here is the basic information you need. Simple, straightforward, easy to follow. Sell a put at 48.90, buy a put at the same time at 48.85. Easy to do, very easy to place. There is a guide inside the Discord that tells you how to manage this, and that is crucial to the success of this system. So it's not as simple as just following the alert, but you can place orders with LCO orders that just deal with it like on autopilot essentially. So you can trade these with a very little actual management, which is really, really good. So I visually marked this up for you on here. So we'll try and zoom in here a little bit and show you what the dealio is. So today is the 9th. This is the start of the day. We saw some choppy bullish action. And here we go right here is 9:41 is when Phil alerted to do a put credit spread, which is down here. These two lines, this red is the sold put, the green is the bought put. And remember, the rules are with put credit spreads, if you're not familiar with them, as long as you don't break down through here, then you're good, you make your full profit. And yeah, and so you can see there was some chop in between, and people were exiting on peaks for close to full profit, up here for full profit, and averaging in down here and then taking profits here. But then look what happened. Wham! All the way up. with news on tariffs, that tariffs are being reduced on countries all over. So, regardless of that, most people have done the trade just in the noise. It looks like noise now, but it's not. Um, already had finished all this already, and I'll show you the results in the Discord right now. So, let's zoom out again. Let's go to general chat where people talk, and then we'll look at post your profits. So Neil G here, I'll zoom in like I do my other videos. So Neil G entered a little bit late. So this is the cool thing is you don't have to be super on time for these. You don't have to enter necessarily at 9:41 Eastern time. You can enter at a different time. So Neil got $1 in premium for these. Dangerous got 1.1. And because Wavemasters knew, asked him, did he read the guide? Because it is important. And he did read the guide and he set the limits as you're supposed to do. And Danger set up an OCO order like he's supposed to do. And bang, by 11:38 a.m., Wavemaster had filled his order at 50 cents per contract for $200 profit. Woohoo. Face with money coming out of mouth. So I told him it was a nice start because that was pretty good. Dangerous got out at 0.6. The rules say 0.5, but still it's close enough, so it's good. So yeah, looking through here, this is the tariff stuff. And then this is when the market started to go to the moon. And then Phil said, this is Phil right here, he said, don't forget to post your profits in the profits channel. So people actually did for once. If we don't ask them, they don't do it. Wavemaster, 3 contracts, $200 profit. Woohoo. It's pretty good. 2 contracts for Neil G, 170 profits. And then Dangerous, he exited a little early because it's for early on in his progress here, $100 profit. So we have plenty of people making money that don't post in this channel as well. This is just a few of the people that do. It takes a lot to get people to post in channels, but yeah, for sure. Anyway, if you want to check this out, I would highly recommend that you come to this page in the description below and you can read more about how it works. Lance sends out an alert at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, which also works really well. He grew his account 50% last year doing these. And Phil sends out his alert around 10:40 Eastern Time, and he grew his account 92% last year. So these are trades that actually really work, and they require very little management, and we have a good community going that really helps people learn how to do these SPX 0 DTE trades really well. So same day expiration. And again, if you want to contact me on my email, I might be able to get you a discount if you're a member of Theta Traders or one of my other services. There may be a chance I can get you a discount on some of these prices, and we can get you in and doing what we call the trifecta, which is a win on IWM alerts. Lance's 0 DTE in this service, and Phil's 0 DTE SPX in this service as well. Anyway, hopefully that's helpful, and I'll talk to you guys soon.